Here is how we can check if everything is working on the iPhone. Let me guide you through it. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. And this is especially useful if you're buying secondhand devices. So let's just get started. So obviously you can go through the menus one by one and try to connect Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and so on. But I believe the best way to approach it, generally speaking, would be to get at the iPhone Diagnostics app. So I believe there are even more apps which can get the same thing done, but I'm currently using this one, right? And when I open it on my device, so let me just find it like this. The point is that this application can test out various different features. For example, the digitizer. I can just open it up like this and perform the test to make sure that every part of the display is reactive to my touch, right? So that is the first way to test it out, right? So this is passed. It gave me the green check mark. I can also tap on the multi-touch and basically see that the first touch gets recognized. What about the other? That one works too, right? And you can go like this. Obviously, some features can be tested easily while others are much harder to be tested out. But you have some other things in here as well. Like you have the rear camera, right? You have to give it access. And yeah, we can see that it does work, right? And you can like give it a try and see if the focus is fine, right? I can confirm it, and yeah, it actually works. So using an app like this, it's going to give you like a blueprint of the things to test out, things like the volume down buttons, right? You can see that it does work. Volume up, I'll press it, and yeah, that one works too. So using this app, it's pretty simple to go through the individual features and to test them out. So let me know if you managed to find it and use it below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future videos.